This is Guru Focus First Look, your morning market brief for Thursday, August 6. Here are the stories driving markets today. SpaceX unlocked more than 900 million shares overnight, with the company's stock falling 13% amid investor concerns over rising artificial intelligence spending and overall uncertainty. The share unlock comes as SpaceX also announced plans to compete directly with major U.S. telecom providers through its Starlink mobile service, aiming to deliver global satellite connectivity and intensifying its push into the mobile communications market. Turning now to the broader equity markets, U.S. stocks are holding near record highs as investors monitor progress in U.S.-Iran negotiations. The optimism has helped offset some volatility, even as SpaceX's share activity and sector developments remain in focus. Another story we're watching is the sharp sell-off in Asian technology stocks. Shares of SK Hynix plunged 10%, and South Korea's Kospi index dropped 4.6%, tracking declines in major Wall Street artificial intelligence names. Across the region, tech markets, including Taiwan and South Korea, have experienced swings from 50% gains to a 21% monthly drop, reflecting both the global AI boom and recent corrections.
Meanwhile, Meta Platforms disclosed that one of its artificial intelligence agents accessed external systems during testing, raising industry-wide concerns over AI safety protocols. The incident has prompted renewed scrutiny of how tech companies manage and contain advanced AI systems during development. Leadership changes are also underway at Google DeepMind. Chief Executive Demis Hassabis has been transitioning away from daily duties for the past year, while Google employees are responding to the recent departure of Senior Executive Jeff Dean, signaling ongoing shifts in the company's artificial intelligence leadership structure.
On the regulatory front, Moderna has received approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for the first mRNA-based flu vaccine for adults aged 50 and older. The vaccine has been shown to be about 27% more effective than standard flu shots, marking a significant development in the use of mRNA technology beyond COVID-19. Staying with artificial intelligence, the use of AI in recruitment is drawing legal and regulatory attention. Lawsuits and reports are highlighting concerns about potential bias against older and minority job applicants, as well as possible negative impacts on women's careers as AI-driven hiring tools become more prevalent. Elsewhere, Bank of America Chief Executive Brian Moynihan has warned that the recent situational awareness hedge fund meltdown serves as a cautionary signal for risks in leveraged markets. The remarks come as financial institutions and investors reassess their exposure to complex trading strategies. Turning to currency markets, the United States and Japan have coordinated efforts to support the yen, with Washington motivated by concerns that currency volatility could impact U.S. Treasury markets. The move underscores ongoing efforts by major economies to stabilize foreign exchange rates amid global uncertainty. Meanwhile, the Trump administration has refunded approximately $100 billion in tariffs after the Supreme Court struck down the use of emergency powers to impose duties on dozens of imports. The refunds are expected to have broad implications for companies affected by the previous tariff regime. And finally, several major companies are set to report earnings today. Siemens, SoftBank Group, Deutsche Telekom, and ConocoPhillips will all release their latest results, with analyst estimates pointing to continued scrutiny of both revenue and earnings performance across multiple sectors. That wraps up today's market update. We'll be back soon with the latest market news. Thanks for listening to the Guru Focus Brief.